Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So today I won a giveaway. Actually, I didn't win it today. I probably won it back in December, but I'm just getting around to unboxing it. I won this from Carol Gardner. I will leave her information below. She's a wonderful, wonderful lady. But she's had her ups and downs, and I think she actually might have tripped over one of her animals and she broke some body parts, so she's been kind of like bedridden. And she was so sweet. She does so many giveaways, and she had to go to the post office and get out all her giveaways, and I did receive this. So because I won this giveaway, and what everybody does when they win a giveaway, they do a giveaway. So I don't want to be out of line, so I'm going to do a giveaway as well. So she is the sweetest person, and you will find her link below. Go check her out. She's just so wonderful. And not because she does giveaways, because she's just a sweet soul. And everybody just rallies around her. And I don't remember where she lives, but I think she lives somewhere warm. And I don't enter a lot of giveaways. I just enter the ones where there's like, I want that. And it would probably be easier for me to Instagram that person and say, can I buy that from you? But it is kind of fun to enter giveaways and see if I win. And for a while there, I was on a winning streak. And I've been off that winning streak for a long time. So if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you really liked it, please give me a thumbs up. I think it helps everybody's channel when you do that for them. And if you're returning, thank you thank you so much for your loyalty. I so appreciate it. And let's get into this great giveaway. So I got a card and stickers. As I said, this was from like December, so we have little snowmen. And she is so sweet. And her little friends are always trying to interrupt her when she's doing her videos. And your kindness makes a difference. And she's like, I'm so sorry that I'm late with this box. Well, I'm even later opening the box. So thank you so much. And I'm not gonna read the card because I find them sometimes a little personal. But what I wanted to win, and I won it, are these. I'm gonna look like a Martian walking around my house. But Dennis will be playing his game or he watches his TV and he is like deaf. He worked in heavy machinery all of his life, you know, the big whole things that you see on the side of the road, so he can't hear worth the darn. And he has hearing aids, but he never wears them. So he's got the TV turned way up. So I wanted to get these so that when I watch all my YouTubers at night, I can hear them without competing for the TV. So she did this on a giveaway, and I go, those are so cool. And of course, I'm not going to look as beautiful as this woman wearing them, but I can't wait to give them a try and see how they work. So Carol, thank you so much. Now I could probably have gone and buy those or bought them off of Amazon. But when I saw that she was doing this giveaway, I'm like, how fun is that? I hope I win. And I did. And then she sent me some other little goodies. She gets the pink sugar box. It's a box I have never bought, but it's got some goodies in there. I've been doing YouTube for a while, so I have got Ipsy, I've got BoxyCharm, I bought them all. And you know, you get so many of the little samples, and you know, I give them out, I put them in giveaways, I give them to friends and family, and it just got to be so much. I didn't even know what I had. So I kind of stopped a lot of boxes. I love the lifestyle boxes. So if you watch my channel, watch those lifestyle boxes. They're pretty good. And you can like dissect them and use them for gifts, for housewarming gifts, for birthday presents. I'm a little partial to candles, so I have a tendency to keep the candles. But let's see what she put in there. Is this a whole pink sugar box? Because there's got the cards in there. She sent me a whole pink sugar box. Oh my God, Carol, you have just outdone yourself. So it's got the pink sugar. It even has the little label in here. Oh my God, she sent me a whole pink sugar box. You have to go check her out. She is just so sweet. And she's like me. She goes off in her little tangents. She's like, she'll be doing something and then she'll just kind of go off. And she's just so fun. You know, she's one of those YouTubers you wished you lived near. So that you can just go grab a cup of coffee and go sit on the porch with her. And there's so many YouTubers like that. So this looks like it's a mirror. Look at the casing. And then you've got the little mirror. Oh, I guess I don't want to show you the mirror. But that is so cool. Definitely something that can go in a purse. It can go in a motorcycle bag. Doesn't take up a lot of room. Loving it. And then the next item is honey matcha, and it's a hand cream. And I go through hand creams like crazy. That's because Dennis makes me do the dishes. Now I'm going to do a quick survey. If you make dinner, does your husband do the dishes? Or if you're a man and you make dinner, does the wife do the dishes? Do you do like the reverse thing? Or are you like me where you have to do them both? You have to make the dinner and do the dishes. And it's got a thing on here, but I'm gonna take it off because I have to smell it. Wow, this smells really good. So none of this is gonna be going in the giveaway. I got news for you. And the next thing is Eel Ho Ginger Shower Gel. Wow. That sounds good. Of course, I broke the box. Box is broken, but I have to smell it. So do you have any plans? I know February is kind of that weird month before March and the spring and people do vacations. Do you have any plans for February? Not bad. It's got like a seal on here, so it's kind of hard to smell. We have friends coming in February. We have friends coming all the way through till May, friends and family. Ooh, lipstick on the hill. Matte lipstick on the hill. Not sure. Oh. Look at that case. Don't know what color it is. Oh, this is way too red for me. It's pretty casing, it's a pretty color, but that is like really cool. I wish it was my color, but yeah. So if anybody wears red, let me know. I'm gonna have to pass that on. Oh, now these are cool. Ready to wear gel manicure, and I am so loving the color. If you notice, my nails have been destroyed. We don't have a whole lot of nail places around us. It's like a 45-minute ride to the nail place. And I have the nails that I want to get done. I have the nails a picture of the nails that I want to get done. But I have to wait till I can find time in my schedule to spend like 2 hours at the salon to get my nails and my toes done. So I might give these a try. What do you think? Those are really pretty. My problem is I put these nails and, you know, I put all the glue and stuff, but it takes me about 5 minutes and one of them pops off. But it says it's easy application. So I'm going to give these a try. Carol, this is a great box. And then is the eyelid perfector. I don't think I've seen this. It has a tool, so it's a little scary because you have the tool by your eye. So as long as I don't poke my eye out, it looks kind of neat. Eyelid tape. I'm gonna have to give that a try. Now, if you see me with the patch, it didn't go so well. So just to recap what I got in Carol's giveaway, it's the pink sugar box, which that is just awesome. And I have this. I will let you know if I try it, or you might be able to tell if I tried it. I'm definitely gonna try these. I might even try these today. And I got this red lipstick that I'm gonna have to give to somebody because it's definitely too red for me. And if, Carol, if you want it back, let me know. And I can't wait to try the shower gel. The smell sounds interesting. And then this matcha hand cream, which will go quickly. And I'm loving this mirror with that case. And of course, my favorite thing are these. I can't wait to try them. And if they work really good, I'll wear them in a video. I know, I'm just so crazy. Okay, so I won this great giveaway. It's gonna be so hard to match. So I'm gonna put together a mystery bag because I have so many great items that I have collected. So you have to let me know. If you win, you have to let me know. If you want, I have mega Jeffree Star products. And I know a lot of people, I guess there's drama. I don't watch the drama. I don't care about the drama because I love his products. They're just the best. So you'll have to let me know if you want a Jeffree Star or 2 items in your giveaway, or if you want bath and body products or skincare. So it'll be a nice giveaway, but I want to gear towards the winner and what they want. So to enter this giveaway, oh my God, it's going to be hard to compete with my Carol. You are going to have to use, because I want to take my survey, who does the dishes and who cooks the dinner, you're going to have to use the word dishes. So let me know in your household, if you make the dinner, who does the dishes and vice versa. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out Carol's channel. Hit that like button and subscribe button. And you guys have an awesome day.